Welcome to the top best. The best drying towels is probably one of the most overlooked tools in a car enthusiast's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car wash drying towels, exploring the best options to leave your car gleaming and spotless. We'll cover everything from absorbency and softness to durability and ease of use, so you can make an informed decision and say goodbye to water spots and streaks. Number 5. Chemical Guys Gold Microfiber Towels, 12-pack. These ultra-soft towels from Chemical Guys are designed to safely remove wax and detail sprays. It ensures a streak-free and swirl-free finish on your vehicle. The gentle microfiber construction is safe for all surfaces, including clear coat, chrome, and glass. You can use it on interior surfaces without worrying about scratches or lint. These cleaning cloths feature high-pile fibers that efficiently soak up water and cleaners. This design reduces the number of passes needed, leaving surfaces spotless. These microfiber car towels are machine washable for long-lasting performance. They can withstand hundreds of washes without losing softness or absorbency. This pack includes 12 16 by 16-inch car wash towels. It provides plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. These towels are ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. They are also great for household use, including windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like. This towel is designed to be ultra-soft and scratch-free, ensuring a perfect finish every time. Its high-pile fibers are designed to absorb water and cleaning products efficiently. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your car detailing needs, you should consider this. What people say. The towel is very absorbent. The towel is very soft and does not scratch the paint. The towel is easy to use. Number 4. Chemical Guys Gray Matter Microfiber Drying Towel. This is the perfect solution for drying your car. It's designed to make the process quick and easy, leaving your car spotless. The unique waffle weave design of this towel maximizes water absorption. It quickly and effectively dries all vehicle surfaces, leaving no streaks behind. Made with a premium 70-30 blend, this towel is incredibly soft and absorbent. It's gentle on delicate surfaces like clear coat, glass, and chrome, ensuring a scratch-free finish. The soft silk-banded edges prevent scratches and swirls, even during high-contact drying. You can dry your car with confidence, knowing it's safe from damage. This towel holds a large amount of water, drying your vehicle faster and more efficiently. This reduces the risk of water spots and saves you time. It's perfect for paint, glass, chrome, and plastic. Use it on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. This versatile towel is a must-have for any vehicle owner. This microfiber cloth is great for automotive drying, glass cleaning, and household use. Achieve streak-free results every time with this amazing towel. What we like. The waffle weave texture maximizes water absorption, leaving your car spotless. The silk edging prevents scratches, even during high-contact drying. If you like a quick and efficient drying process with a focus on safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These waffle weave drying towels are fantastic. I can dry my entire car, BMW 840/11 Grand Coupe, with just one towel. Very absorbent, and no swirl marks or scratches of any kind. Its soft texture is gentle on paintwork, ensuring a scratch-free finish, even on delicate surfaces. The generous size allows you to cover large areas quickly, reducing drying time and effort. Its a true standout performance lies in its ability to deliver extremely good results on windows and glass. While it functions admirably as a general drying aid for paint, the unique waffle weave structure, which is designed to trap and wick liquid similarly to how a kitchen waffle holds syrup, is perfectly suited for glass cleaning. This design makes it exceptional at picking up and holding moisture, ensuring that water droplets and residual glass cleaner are completely removed with minimal effort. This results in a truly streak-free, crystal-clear finish that often frustrates users of traditional drying towels. Number 3. AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths 50 pk. These AIDEA microfiber cloths are super absorbent, made from premium materials. They quickly wick away water, perfect for removing dirt and grime, keeping you dry. The ultra-soft and non-abrasive microfiber towels ensure a scratch-free cleaning experience. They are effective on grease, grime, and dirt, leaving surfaces shiny and pristine. These dusting cloths can be washed and reused hundreds of times. They are resistant to shrinking or falling apart, designed for long-term use. These shop towels come in 5 colors for easy color coding. They are designed with premium fabrics that prevent scratching, ideal for polishing and drying without damaging surfaces. AIDEA cleaning rags are perfect for various tasks and effective with just water. They are suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, and dusting, an essential tool for any cleaning routine. What we like. This cleaning cloth offers exceptional absorbency, quickly removing dirt and grime. It is ultra-soft and lint-free, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. If you are looking for a versatile and durable cleaning solution for your car and home, you should consider this. What people say. The microfiber material is incredibly soft yet highly effective at cleaning. The cloths don't leave behind any lint or streaks, which is a huge plus for glass and shiny surfaces. They also do a great job of picking up dust, crumbs, and other debris without pushing them around like some other cloths tend to do. Number 2. Chemical Guys Gold Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. These ultra-soft towels from Chemical Guys are designed for professional-grade detailing. They safely remove wax and sprays, leaving a perfect finish. The gentle microfiber construction is safe for all surfaces. You can use it on clear coat, chrome, glass, and interior surfaces without worry. These towels feature high-pile fibers for maximum absorbency. They soak up water and cleaners efficiently, leaving surfaces spotless. They are machine washable for long-lasting performance. These towels can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. This pack includes 3 16 by 16-inch towels. They are perfect for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. These towels are ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and household use. You can use them on windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like. This towel is designed to be ultra-soft and scratch-free, ensuring a perfect finish every time. Its high-pile fibers are designed to absorb water and cleaning products efficiently. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your car detailing needs, you should consider this. What people say. The towel is very absorbent. It is very soft and does not scratch the paint. The size is perfect for drying my car. Number 1. Chemical Guys Workhorse Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. Introducing the Chemical Guys Workhorse Microfiber Towels. These premium 16 by 16-inch cloths are designed for washing, drying, and detailing your car, ensuring scratch-free results on all surfaces. Made with a plush, high-quality microfiber blend, it gently lifts dirt and debris. This towel is safe for delicate finishes and sensitive detailing tasks, ensuring your car stays pristine. Featuring strong stitched edges, this towel resists fraying and holds up through repeated washes. It delivers long-lasting performance and value, perfect for both professionals and home enthusiasts. This is perfect for car drying, automotive detailing, cleaning the house, or even pet drying. It handles water, polish, wax, and cleaning sprays with ease, making it an all-in-one solution. The high-pile fibers absorb water and quick detail sprays quickly and effectively. This reduces streaks and spots while ensuring faster drying and buffing with minimal effort. This pack includes 3 professional-grade Chemical Guys towels in black, sized at 16 by 16 inches. Assign them to different tasks like interior cleaning, drying, or polishing. What we like. This towel is designed to provide scratch-free results on any surface. It is made to be durable and reusable, delivering long-lasting performance. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for your car, home, and pet drying needs, you should consider this. What people say. The towel is very soft and absorbent. It is very easy to wring out and reuse. The size is perfect for drying my entire car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.